Are you recording? See what says red?
Okay. All right. We've discovered that Thomas really enjoys when Brian plays the harmonica. Watch how he reacts. You can't get close enough to him.
It's really good, and the sauce is inviting. It just makes me want to continue to eat it. Unfortunately, in my case, I got
Here we go.
That's disappointing. I have to really take a close look at
Chewing on his chain.
So, which plate of food did the gentleman
Do you two want to be alone? Oh dear.
Oh.
The cat doesn't normally get that cuddly. Oh, but okay, music stops, he goes away, music starts, he comes back.
It tickles. Let me get it, too. Oh, no, right?
So, liver and tea in the Ricotta Salata challenging basket. It was a rough round.
I mean, I think every single contestant committed a felony in the court of chopped law.
Where are you going, Thomas?
Oh,
Finished all our plates.
She probably had the best extraction of the tea, but that cornstarch thickened chutney is kind of separating and breaking.
I would say in the case of Chef Rebecca, she used the items in the basket in an intelligent, informed way.
I can't overlook the fact that I didn't have any gooseberry.
The Pied Piper. We could make money off you rounding up the stray cats in the neighborhood.
Left with just one component that was in that mystery basket. That salad that
And I'll chase you.
that liver was horrible.
There we go.
Because there were just so many of them.
And he really didn't clean his liver. But the gooseberry tea sauce was the stunner of that dish.
I agree with you.
I think he'd sit there for hours and listen to you, Brian.
I have to say, though, I really
That's
like
rapture.
the sauce that Ryan made. And I like that Ryan
Thomas.
simply microplaned the ricotta salata. It really functioned for me like salt. It's a tough call here.
Okay.
This is weird.